In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send messages to Slack via command line. Sending Slack messages straight from your terminal is a really useful technique, especially for automation. It can help with DevOps workflows, deployment scripts, scheduled tasks, or system alerts so your machine or server can notify a Slack channel the moment something succeeds or fails. The most reliable way to do this is by using Slack's web API, specifically the chat.postMessage endpoint through a curl command. Before you begin, there's one important requirement. To communicate with Slack through the API, you need a custom Slack app in your workspace with permission to write messages. That permission is the chat write scope, and once it's enabled, Slack provides a bot user OAuth token. This token acts like a secret credential, so keep it secure and never share it publicly. The first thing you need is the destination channel ID. Slack's API works best with the actual channel ID rather than the visible channel name because that avoids delivery mistakes. Open Slack and find the channel you want to post to in the left sidebar. Right-click the channel name, then open the channel details. You can also use the information icon in the channel header. In the details panel, look near the bottom for the channel ID, then copy that value. It will usually begin with a capital C. Next, open your system terminal. On Mac OS or Linux, use the built-in terminal application. On Windows, open PowerShell, making sure your environment supports curl commands properly. Once the terminal is open, you're ready to prepare the API request. The request needs three key parts. First is the authorization header, which includes your bearer token. Second is the content type header, which tells Slack that you're sending JSON data. Third is the JSON body itself, where you specify the channel ID and the message text you want Slack to send. Now copy the curl command into a text editor first, so you can safely customize it. Replace the placeholder for the bot token with your actual token value. Replace the placeholder for the target channel ID with the channel ID you copied earlier. The message text can stay as written, or you can tailor it to your automation use case. The command should include a post request to Slack's chat.postMessage API endpoint, along with the authorization header, the JSON content type header, and a data block containing the channel and text fields. After updating those values, paste the finished command into your terminal and press enter. If everything is configured correctly, Slack will process the request and post the message into your selected channel. If it doesn't work, double check the token, the channel ID, and the app permissions first, since those are the most common causes of errors.